This should be a snap, a candidate reciting the Air Jordan rap.
Oh snap. Take a minute, let put some logic in it. Listen to the Air Jordan rap. Herm in the house talk and bout. What will you do for a pair of Jordan tennis shoes?
Are they limited quality or limited quantity? Herm, what's the hype that makes shoppers fight and stay up all night?
Air Jordan shoes. Putting business on the evening news, while this country sings the blues.
Share this knowledge. Invest your money in family and college. Money spent and shoppers can barely pay the rent.
It's like spending money on a dream. Larger than life unseen. Magic 23. What's your identity? This is free.
Yes, giving value to someone you'll never know. Buying shoes to make a show. Standing in line trying to get rank. Making millions of dollars for others to deposit in a bank.
See, if you vote for me, I'll give Air Jordans free. See, they're all right. Just don't get caught up in the hype.
What will you do? To get a pair of tennis shoes? Putting your business on the evening news.
Or staying at home singing the blues.